Hello student, today we are going to see the graph meaning, graph explanation. Okay, so see here the first one which is going to be a displacement by time. You got straight line means it is a rest object. Okay, because there is no displacement, so it is a rest object. Okay, the next one, the displacement increasing with respect to the time. If graph is like this, it is velocity is increasing. So it's a displacement increasing with respect to the time, which is going to be a uniform velocity. Okay, if you are taken slope of this graph, which will give us a slope of this graph will give AB by B C, velocity by time period, which is going to give us a displacement by time will give us a velocity. Slope of this graph will give us a velocity. Okay, next graph, displacement versus time, non-linear graph, which is called before one linear graph. This is non-linear graph. The velocity is going to be a non-uniform. Okay, next one, velocity versus time graph, increasing velocity by time. Okay, velocity increasing with respect to time, so which is called acceleration, positive acceleration. Velocity increasing, acceleration will be positive, so acceleration is going to be rate of change of velocity. Okay, this graph explanation I am going to give again. Okay, velocity increasing with respect to time, so velocity versus time. Velocity increasing with respect to the time, which is called positive acceleration. If you are taken slope of this graph, slope is equal to del v. This is called changing velocity, del v by del t, changing time period. So changing velocity by changing time period we can get as a acceleration. Slope of this graph will give us a acceleration. Okay, otherwise a is equal to dv by dt, like that also we can take it. The next one, area of this graph. Area, if you are taken, you will get displacement. This is very important. Slope of this graph will give acceleration. Area of this graph will give displacement. Okay, how to take area? Below this line only you have to take it. Half into base into height. So base is called it is a time period. Height is called velocity. Velocity into time period, what I can get? Displacement. So displacement if you want, area, slope if you are taken, you will get as a acceleration. Okay, slope will give acceleration, area will give displacement. Okay, the next one, next graph, velocity versus time graph. If it's increasing, positive acceleration. Same graph, it is decreasing, velocity versus time graph, decreasing, negative acceleration, retardation. Okay, same thing, slope will be give acceleration, area will give displacement. Okay, the next one, velocity versus time graph, straight line will give uniform velocity. Okay, uniform velocity. Thank you.